Are you searching for a solution to convert PST to CSV format? Microsoft Outlook stores its entire data: emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and journals in the PST file format. But what if you need that data in CSV, and Outlook isn't even installed? In this video, we'll show you how to convert PST to CSV, with or without Outlook, in simple steps. First, the possible reasons to convert PST to CSV format. Data analysis. CSV lets you manage and analyze email data in a document. Platform dependency. Unlike PST, a CSV file can be accessed without Outlook. Bulk editing and management. CSV offers advanced options for editing data in rows and columns. Data migration. It enables easy, platform-independent migration. Sharing and legal compliance. CSV is straightforward to share and store for compliance. And data isolation and extraction. It simplifies isolating specific fields, like extracting email addresses. Here's a real-life scenario. A class representative receives a PST file of all the students' contacts, and is asked to make an Excel sheet from it, but they don't use Outlook, and it sound familiar? Maybe you're an analyst who needs email data in a spreadsheet. An admin migrating mailboxes to another platform. Or a team lead sharing contacts for compliance. In each case, converting PST to CSV solves it. So what's the difference between PST and CSV file format? PST stands for Personal Storage Table. Outlook's data file for emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and journals, which needs Outlook or a PST viewer to open. CSV stands for comma-separated value plain text tabular data you can open in text editors or spreadsheets like Excel and Google Sheets. PST is complex and attachment embedded, while CSV is simple, readable, and has no size limitation. There are two methods to export data from a PST file to CSV format. First, the manual method: convert PST to CSV using Outlook. And the automated method: export PST to CSV without Outlook, using software. Both have their own pros and cons. Choose the one that best suits your case. Let's begin with the manual method: convert PST to CSV using Outlook. This works only when Outlook is installed. Open Microsoft Outlook, click the File menu, then Open and Import, then Import Export. Select Export to a file from the list. Select the comma-separated value option. Select the Contacts folder to export. Note, you can select only one folder at a time. Browse the destination to save the file locally. After all settings, click Finish to start the conversion. Now, the automated method: export PST to CSV without Outlook. To convert PST to CSV without Outlook, there is no manual method. This task is accomplished using the SysTools PST to CSV Converter. It converts an Outlook PST file to CSV with all mailbox items, and can export multiple PST files at one go. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Here are the steps. Launch the PST to CSV Converter on your Windows system. Click on Add File. Select the PST file having contacts. Then click the Add button. The software scans the file. Then choose to save the scan. Preview the PST file items in the software panel. Browse the mailbox folders. Select the items, then click Export. The export window opens. Select the CSV radio button from the Saving Options list. Apply the required filters, such as date, range, and categories. Browse the destination path to save the output. Confirm your selection, and click Export. The conversion begins. After a successful conversion, the software notifies you. It shows an export report, and creates a separate folder for each category. Finally, open the folder and view your data in the CSV file. Why SysTools software? It's the most trusted tool to convert a complete mailbox from PST to CSV in one go, with no data loss. Its advanced features include batch conversion, export PST to CSV in bulk without data loss, advanced scan. Scan a PST file and remove corruption before saving to CSV. Preview contacts with all attributes, for an instant preview with full details. And maintains folder hierarchy. It preserves the folder structure, with a 100% accurate solution within a minute. Here's the author suggestion. This is the most affordable and effective way to convert PST to CSV, without data loss. And you can download the trial version to test the working features. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the link in the description to download the SysTools PST to CSV Converter. Thanks for watching.